How to change text message theme on Android. If you want to change the look of your text messages, this video will show you how to change the message theme on your Android phone. First, open the Messages app on your phone. Now, tap on your profile icon at the top of the screen and select Messages Settings, then General Settings. Look for the Choose Theme option and tap on it. Here, you can change the appearance of your text messages. You'll usually see options like Light, Dark, and System Default. Choose the theme you prefer. For example, if you want to use dark mode, select Dark and tap OK. Now, go back and open any conversation. You'll see that the text message theme has been changed. If you want to switch back to the light theme, simply return to Messages Settings, tap Choose Theme, select Light, and tap OK. This is also a quick way to customize your Google Messages app and change between light and dark mode whenever you want. And that's how you can change the text message theme on your Android phone. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with others.